Welcome to RS Kids Art. Hello kids, today we are drawing stairs. Let's start. We'll make the beautiful stairs with me. Wait for N. Complete the stairs. Now draw the number.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Let's enhance little bit.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
Now fill the colors.
Red color. Now I know my ABCs. Next
Orange color.
you sing with me.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Magenta color.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
Pink
T,
color.
U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Violet
Now
color.
I know my ABCs. Next time, won't
Orange
you
color.
sing with me?
Red color.
A, B,
Dark
C,
blue
D,
color.
E, F, G, H, I,
Dark
J,
green
K,
color.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
Yellow
S,
color.
T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
We completed the stairs with colors. Thanks for watching.